So one of the things that's been changing a lot in the fitness industry and just fitness realm of people working out that's just kind of structured and just more general fitness is people focusing more on working out their legs. And I think this is a really important thing to note because forever there's been this whole stigma around skipping leg day. And I'm kind of biased. I really like working legs just because I'm a lot stronger at working legs. So I could understand if you're somebody who's naturally stronger at arm movements like bench press or rows or pull-ups that you'd bias your training towards that. But despite those things, I think you're shooting yourself in the foot if you're not introducing more leg training into your workouts. And the main reason is because so much of our functional life activities involve our legs. Getting up off the ground is basically a type of lunge, kind of a burpee. You need your arms too, but it's like a kneeling down, right? So it's kind of like a lunge. Getting up out of a chair is like a squat. Picking up stuff off the ground is like a deadlift. Is there any more movements I'm missing? Lunge. Yeah, those few things. And we use our legs, to walk too, duh. To walk, going up and down stairs, curbs, etc. All of those things are they're strictly leg driven. And if you lose the mobility, balance, and leg strength, over the years, these movements are going to be difficult. So if you're watching this and you're a lot younger, you're thinking, well, it's whatever, I'll just do my thing. And, by all means, it's your workout. Go enjoy your workouts. But if you're looking for longevity and moving forever, or as long as your body will give you, in a way that is, I should say, a good quality of life, more leg movements, lunges, squatting, deadlifting type movements, or just even doing stuff like on the leg press is a good idea.